Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use this Snap Camera app in 2024. The reason it's helpful is because Snap Camera is discontinued, like the app no longer works, but there's still a way you can make it work. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you have to install Snap Camera. To do the installation, this is the link. I'm going to put both of these link in my description, so you don't have to worry about the link. So this is the link to download this the Snap Camera. Once you click the link, you will see this, and here you will see the download. That's 163.86 megabyte. Okay, so once you download that, then you have to run the setup. You're gonna have the Snap Camera setup, and then you have to complete the process. So once you complete the process, it's gonna be in your this PC, and then local disk C, program files, and then here you go to the Snap Inc, and then you click Snap Camera, and it's gonna be there. You see the Snap Camera and uninstallation. Okay, these two will be there. So the next step is, what you have to do is you have to go to this link. I will put this link as well. Once you click this link, you will end up getting to here. So here what you have to do is you have to choose that file. Choose this file, actually the one I saw here, the Snap Camera thing. So you have to select this one, choose, and the path, this PC, local disk C, program files, and then snapping, and then Snap Camera, and then here you have to select this one, and you patch that one. Once you select that one, and you can apply patch. So once you apply patch, it's gonna download right here. So then what you have to do is you have to go to downloads and copy that thing. So the one you download is going to be right there. So you copy that thing, and then you go to the location back where we went there. This PC, local disk C, program files, and then snapping, Snap Camera, and then here you have to just paste the patched version. I already did it, so I don't want to do it again. So you paste the patch version, and you copy this name and name the patch version as but before that, like, you can put .alt or something like that. So you can like .alt for this, and then patch version, just remove the patch name. Like, you will see Snap Camera patched and stuff. Just remove the patched and everything, just make it Snap Camera. And then you have to delete the old version. If you cannot delete the old version, you can delete it by going to the task manager, and you scroll down to Snap Camera. If you are running, it will appear here. So then select that one and end the task, and then you will be able to delete the old one. So once you delete the old one and open this, you're going to end up getting this one. So here this is a cool feature because you can integrate that one with the OBS as well. Like currently I integrated. Like, you go to the properties and choose whichever the camera you want. You can choose Snap Camera, and then the good thing about this is you can apply all the filters on that. Like, if you apply this filter, it comes here. If this filter comes there, so you can literally use all the filters available and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a fun thing if you're streaming. Okay, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.